Hi friends, today we will learn how to increase the row height and decrease it, and similarly how to increase and decrease the column width. Let us start. Let me select one column. Column C is selected. Now drag the mouse pointer to the border of the column. The mouse pointer shape will change to plus sign. Press the left mouse button. Drag right to increase the column width. Drag left to decrease the column width. Now for the row, select any row. Suppose I have selected the row 3. Now drag the mouse pointer to the border of the row and the plus sign is there. Now press the left mouse button, drag it down to increase the row height and drag it up to decrease the row height. Another way to increase and decrease the row height, and similarly for the column width increase and decrease is, let me select the column D is selected, go to the home tab, then go to the cell group. There is an option format, click on it, a drop down will open. Then click on column width option, a dialog box will open. Here write the width, like I am writing 20, click on OK. The width is increased to 20. Now for decreasing the width, follow the same steps. Go to home tab, cell group, format, drop down, then will open and then click on column width. Now specify the number, right? I am writing 10. Click on OK. The column width will decrease. Now for the row height. Select the row 4 is selected. Go to home tab, cell group, a format option. Then a drop down will open. Select here option row height. A dialog box will open. I am writing here 28. Then click on OK. The row height will increase to 28. To decrease it, follow the same steps again. Select the row, go to home tab, cells group, format, a drop down will open. Then click on row height. A dialog box will open. Write the row height like I am writing 15. Click on OK. The row height will decrease to 15. If you like the video, press the bell icon for latest updates and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.